Couple of comments about CIMdata to make sure that you have the right context and a good understanding of what CIMdata does. So, and our perspective is based upon our independence in the global PLM market as strategic management consultants and a research authority that's in this digital transformation area that typically is called product lifecycle management. We support both clients that are industrial organizations as well as the solution providers, the software and service providers. Again, this is on very much a global scale. CIMdata has done work in around 50 countries around the world. I just got finished with my vice president doing our around the world tour as we announced the market numbers for 2018. When we talk about PLM, and this is very important because the context of our discussion is around what CIMdata describes as product lifecycle management. And for years, we have described it as a strategic business approach. It's how you collaboratively create, use, manage, and disseminate the intellectual assets of a product. So it's the virtual product and the virtual processes. So it's the full definition of the product from concept through the end of life or through life, depending on if it goes on in recycling or repurposing, remanufacturing, and other elements of more of a circular economy. So it's concept through life, and it's throughout the extended enterprise. So it's a very holistic view, a very complete, we would say, complete view of the life cycle and management of it. And then the various technologies that support it, such as AEC technologies, architecture, engineering, construction, or mechanical CAD, or electrical design automation technologies, application lifecycle management technologies, systems engineering technologies, etc. So very holistic view, and we ask a lot of questions in our surveys, and the work that we do with our clients is really this full concept and full understanding as a strategic business approach. The picture that's in the upper right corner is what we call the product innovation platform, and it's how PLM solutions are evolving to be platforms supporting from the portfolio and program management aspect all the way through to service, and being able to optimize across those disciplines, those life cycle disciplines. So to us, system engineering, for example, is a very broad topic. It's not just the product as systems, but the whole environment that you have to optimize for the manufacturing systems, the service systems, the product as a system, or systems as systems. And so it's a very holistic view where the core then underneath that center area is the data and process management backbone, because the virtual product and the virtual processes are composed of information sets that have to be clear, concise, and valid, and have to be managed throughout the life cycle. Our primary work is consulting services, strategic management consulting services that we do with industrial clients across industries around the world, supported by our educational services, which what we call PLM leadership. It's the educational services, and also being supported by research. So we are a multi-dimensional organization that looks to provide strategic advice and counsel to our clients.